Hey everyone, today I want to give you a real quick look at the hardware that we use for our hinges. It's a ball bearing pivot hinge. The top piece is going to attach to the top of the jamb, and this is going to attach to your door, and it's just going to swing and rotate just like that. Now this pin can be removed by pushing in the bottom, and then you just pull it right through and it releases these two little knobs. For the bottom of the door, you have the piece that rests on the lower threshold, and then you have the piece that goes on the door with the ball bearing right there, and you just slide it right on. All of the weight of these doors is carried on the top and bottom hinge pieces, which means you can hold up to 300 pounds on this door without pulling on the sides of the door and risk tweaking any hinges from the side. Now I'm going to show you how to remove a pin from a door. When you receive your Murphy door, the door will be pre-hung in the jamb. You'll need to remove the pin in order to get the door out. You're going to take the black pin remover that we send you and clip it to the bottom of the pin, just like that. When it clips in, it will release these and allow you to pull that pin straight out. And that's how you get a pin in and out of your hinge system.